Hi guys, welcome back to the Hindi tutorials. Namaste. I hope you are not breaking the order, and before watching this video, please ensure that you have watched the first 3 videos. In the last video, we learned these words. The first was Namaste, which is a formal greeting and it can be used in the place of good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, or hello or bye. And theek hai is okay. Dhanyavad and shukriya are thank you. Ab is now. Samajh gaye is did you understand? And haan or hanji is yes. Nahi is no. And aaj is today. Now in today's tutorial, we will complete this lesson by learning a few more words. ठीक है? तो अब start करते हैं. The first word is मैं. Okay? The N is not pronounced here, but only denotes the nasal sound. Okay? मैं. मैं is I. Simply I. ठीक है? I will show you a couple of short video clips which contain this word.
मैं बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कपड़े धोता हूँ.
ठीक है? Now the next word is tum, which means you, but is informal. Okay, this is used with people of the same age group as yours and with your normal friends. And aap is also you, which is formal and used with parents, relatives, teachers, bosses, strangers, and formal acquaintances. ठीक है? And hum is we. This one is hum. This is not hum. Pronounced hum. I don't know why it is spelled H-U-M. There is one more word for you, that is tu, which is very, very informal. And this is only used between strong friends. Usually in songs, the lovers use this word for each other. But we are not going to learn this one because this is very, very informal. And if you say this word to some unknown person or a stranger, it would be like an insult. Let's see some clips which contain these words tum and aap.
अगर तुम साथ हो
आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार.
ठीक है? Now this time we will go a bit reverse. I will take these two words, he and she. Actually, there are no words in Hindi for he and she. We rather say words equivalent to this and that. And the usage depends upon how far the person is standing. So the words are ye, which means he, she, or it, something near. And the next word is wo. Okay, wo, which means the same, he, she, it, which is far, a bit far. It also means this, and this also means that. The concept is a bit different, but as the classes will go on, you will understand it easily.
तो अभी तक आपको ये समझ में नहीं आया, ये बहरा है. चड्डी नहीं, चिट्ठी है ये कोई मामूली चिट्ठी नहीं है.
ना वो बोल सकता है ना वो सुन सकता है.
ठीक है? Now moving on to the next words. We have reached the last set of words for today. The first one is kya, which means what. Now let's see how does it look in normal conversation.
क्या हुआ? ठीक है,
समझ गया ना?
हाँ समझ गया.
क्या समझा?
बैग नीचे रखने का.
एक मारूंगी तुझे.
ठीक है, समझ गए? Now the next word is bahut or bahut. Both versions are spoken in different regions. It means a lot. For example, you can say बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, which means thank you very much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, which also means thank you very much. The last word for today is G. Actually, it's not a word, it's just a suffix which is used to give more respect. For example, if you want to say yes to an elder person, you will say Hanji instead of only Ha, or Nahi ji, just to say no to an elder person. Namaste ji, or theek hai ji, it's okay. It is used as a suffix at the end of relations like Papa ji, Mummy ji, and other relations. So this completes our first lesson, which was about introductory words. Let's have a quick look at what we have learned today. Main is I, very very informal you, which we won't learn. Tum is an informal you that you can use with your friends of similar age group. And aap is you, which is formal. Hum is we. Ye is this, or he, or she, or it. Wo is that, or he, or she, or it. And kya is what. Bahut is a lot. And G is a suffix to show more respect. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video, and if yes, then please hit the like button and share the video with all your friends who want to learn Hindi. Namaste.